Many Honor users want to securely erase personal data before selling or recycling their phones, since deleted files can still be recovered. Here are 5 reliable tools to completely wipe your Honor device and protect your privacy. Top 1. Best Honor Data Eraser. MobiKin Eraser for Android offers a professional solution to securely erase data from Honor devices, protecting privacy before selling or disposing of a phone. MobiKin Eraser for Android can remove contacts, messages, photos, videos, and app data completely. How to use the Best Honor Data Eraser to wipe out your Honor phone. Download and install the Honor File Eraser on your computer. Connect your Honor phone via USB and enable USB debugging. Launch the program, let it detect your device, and select Erase. Choose a security level, type Delete to confirm, then click Erase again. Low level prevents recovery, medium clears media, and high protects sensitive data. Follow on-screen steps, then perform a factory reset for full system cleanup. Top 2. Honor AI Eraser. Photos Only provides a simple way to remove unwanted elements from images, helping users clean up personal photos. Honor AI Eraser focuses specifically on photos, removing objects, watermarks, or people without affecting surrounding content. Top 3. Factory Reset. Built-in feature restores Honor Magic, Number, X, Play, V, Note, and View series to their original factory settings, erasing all user data in the process. Factory Reset is a quick and convenient data eraser service to wipe personal information. Top 4. Recovery Mode for broken phones allows users to erase data on Honor devices that cannot boot normally or have a broken screen. Recovery Mode can perform a factory reset even when the device is unresponsive. Top 5. Data Eraser App. Wipe Data. 3rd-party app offers a versatile option for Honor users to securely delete data beyond built-in options. Data Eraser App. Wipe Data supports various file types, including photos, messages, and app data, with multiple erasure modes.